welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is another decorate with me, but Christmas edition. First things first, my Jeep is gonna match me with our antlers. Alright, not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I think maybe I'll put it on the front by the grill up here. Let's see how it works out. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks. I highly doubt this is gonna stay on here. If you have any, better suggestions, let me know. But this is how it's looking so far. Now we gotta put this on the back. It's gonna be going on the tire. Let's do it. Okay, got the string, got the reef. Let's try. Alright, so I bought this power inverter so I can plug the Christmas lights to. See, it has an outlet on it. And it also has USB things. So I'm going to put this in the back of the car because there's an outlet in the back. And then try to wrap the Christmas lights around. And then the source is going to be in the back. Okay?